Here I have Samsung Galaxy M32, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So you can go to the upper bar and find a button which is called Eye Comfort Shield here, and this is basically just a night mode, as you can see. You can switch it by tapping on it. You can also access some of its settings by holding your finger on it. You can change color temperature, as you can see, and you can also set a schedule for this mode. You can set it from sunset to sunrise, or you can just add your custom schedule. Here you can select start, here you can select end, and that's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.